Welcome guys, so today I am with Motorola Moto G22 and I want to show you how you can quickly and properly install tempered glass on this smartphone. So let's start from the display. Also, I can recommend you to get this kind of the protection under your phone to not scratch the back, because we will press on the phone and put the phone on the flat surface. And also prepare good lighting condition. As you can see, in my case, I can find on the display a lot of greasy marks, some kind of the fingerprints, and few pieces of the dust. So we have to remove it, and we are going to make it with these wipes that we got in this tempered glass box. So you have to open the box, it's very obvious, and inside you will find these two wipes, wet and dry. So we are going to start from this one. And unfortunately, there's another time that this wet one comes dry, so you can use something like window cleaner, apply it on this wipe, just like that, a little bit, and then clean your screen. Just remember to reach all corners and edges. Just like that. As you can see, after a few moments, the screen looks definitely better. So right now we can simply move for the dry one and just remove this wet cleaning marks. You can also turn off your phone to not get a display highlight, like in my case. It's a little bit annoying in this Android 12. Okay, as you can see right now, the display looks really good and it's really in really good condition. So the last step will be to take a look on the screen really close and spot dust. If you have any pieces of the dust, you have to remove them. You can make it like that. For example, dragging into one direction. Okay, I just easily remove it. So the last and very important step, we have to grab our tempered glass and we have to remove this sticker. Grab this tempered glass like that and start applying from upper section, like that. Keep holding the bottom part and try to put it correctly for the both edges. And once you make it, I can recommend you to put your finger, for example, right here in the middle, and then start putting the bottom part on the screen. Okay, it's finished. Take a look right now. You can just press with your finger. Okay, and if you get this air bubble, you can just lift this glass with your fingernail and it will be disappear. The last step, you have to grab this wipe, and as you can see, almost everywhere we can spot this glue marks. So when you're gonna press on it, like in my case, as you can see, it will disappear. So I'm gonna make it right now for the whole screen. Okay, and it's finally finished. As you can see, the phone is working, no problem with the touch interaction, everything is working fine. So yeah, that's how you can apply this tempered glass on your Motorola Moto G22. And if you find this video helpful, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.